When a French-speaking person is speaking too fast or when a sentence is unclear, a tip is to try to rephrase what you did understand. For example, attends, tu es en train de dire que. Wait, you're saying that? Attends, tu es en train de dire que. And then you add what you understood. For example, attends, tu es en train de dire que le musée du Louvre est à nouveau ouvert? Wait, you're saying that the Louvre Museum is open again? Or maybe you just understood the topic, so you can ask, attends, tu es en train de dire quoi sur le musée du Louvre? Wait a minute, so what are you saying about the Louvre Museum? Attends, tu es en train de dire quoi sur le musée du Louvre? And that's everyday spoken French. If you want, you can also use the tag c'est bien ça, is that right? For example, tu cherches le meilleur restaurant à Grenoble, c'est bien ça? You're looking for the best restaurant in Grenoble, is that right? Tu cherches le meilleur restaurant à Grenoble, c'est bien ça? In general, sharing what you understood is much better than staying silent and dumbfounded. And if you're totally confused, yes, you can ask them to repeat, of course. But be careful because if you ask, est-ce que tu peux répéter plus doucement? Can you repeat more slowly? Est-ce que tu peux répéter plus doucement is ambiguous because plus doucement also means softer, quieter. And that's not what you want. The very clear and unambiguous way to ask someone to repeat in French is est-ce que tu peux répéter plus lentement? Can you please repeat more slowly? Again, est-ce que tu peux répéter plus lentement? Throw in a s'il te plaît there and you're good to go, unless they randomly switch to English. I made a whole lesson on that topic, but the main sentence to take away from it is je voudrais pratiquer mon français, alors je ne veux pas passer en anglais. I want to practice my French, so I don't want to switch to English. Je voudrais pratiquer mon français, alors je ne veux pas passer en anglais. Okay? This way, the other person won't think you don't like their English. It's just that you want to practice your French. But even if you did understand what was being said to you, maybe you need a little bit of time to make a French sentence in your head. But don't let the rhythm die down too much. After all, that's all part of l'art de la conversation, the art of conversation, l'art de la conversation, which is a very, very big thing in France since at least the literary salon of the 18th century.
Toujours fidèle à sa conduite, l'abbé, sans nuire à sa santé, peut faire 2 mots d'esprit de suite, l'un en hiver, l'autre en été.
Even when you understand what's going on, it's hard to answer du tac au tac immediately, du tac au tac. For example, what would you say after that?
Improviser. Oui, mais alors c'est un mot qui veut tout dire et rien, improviser, parce que improviser, c'est de ne pas savoir ce que va dire l'autre, et dans la vie, on ne sait pas ce que va dire l'autre, donc on improvise.
When you have something to add and you need a bit of time to make a sentence in your head, you can still say something. For example, you can say something as simple as oui, mais en fait, yes, but really, oui, mais en fait. This way, people will see that you have something to say and they will wait for you to deliver it. Repeat after me. Oui, mais en fait. Oui, mais en fait. With the little T at the end. Great. These sentences will launch you into the next sentence. It gets the French part of your brain going and the rest comes much more easily. You can also be more explicit with something like ok, 2 secondes, je réfléchis. Okay, I need 2 seconds. I need to think. Okay, 2 secondes. I say seconde, 2 secondes. Je réfléchis. And that's something that even I use in my everyday life. Sometimes you need some time to think about what you heard to provide a good answer. And this is the kind of authentic French structure that will always keep the conversation flowing no matter your level. Now let's play a game. I'm going to give you several more of those in a row and you can just pick 1 or 2, pause the video and repeat after me as many times as you want so you can learn them and feel confident when using them. Are you ready? Go. En fait, for in fact, en fait. Another one. Je me dis, for to me, je me dis. En même temps, for on the other hand, en même temps. Another one, d'un autre côté. It means also on the other hand, d'un autre côté. Cela dit. Again, on the other hand, cela dit. It helps you to vary what you're saying. Le truc, c'est que. The thing is. Le truc, c'est que. Truc is slang for thing. Le truc, c'est que. Attends, wait. Attends. Je pense que. I think that. Je pense que. And now you're ready to join your next French conversations. Félicitations. Or at least you have the tools to improvise the rest, because after all...
Improviser. Oui, mais alors c'est un mot qui veut tout dire et rien, improviser, parce que improviser, c'est de ne pas savoir ce que va dire l'autre, et dans la vie, on ne sait pas ce que va dire l'autre, donc on improvise.
Now you can go the extra mile and work on understanding spoken French, or learn more about quand même, for example, another conversation filler, very useful. I also have a full conversation to prevent your conversation from switching back to English that students tend to love. That's all in the playlist that I made for you. You just have to click right here on your screen to access those lessons, and I will see you there. Allez, salut!